Hello boys and girls, and welcome to our math time. Now today we are going to be working out of our workbook, but I'm going to do it on the whiteboard so it's much bigger for us to see. So if you want to follow along, we're going to be on page 81. It's an 8 and a 1, and we're going to be doing this. We are going to be making 5. Making 5. And how it relates, showing how it relates to subtraction. So what you will need is your workbook and two colors, two different colors, all right? Two different colors, because we're going to be making 5s, and we want to show it in a couple different ways. So here is my perfectly drawn recreation. It's not perfect, I'm just kidding. Here it is. So we're going to start off making 5s, and over here I'm going to write our subtraction sentence. So the first one, I'm going to take one of my colors, and I'm going to color every single cube. Now, I'm not coloring completely through just so this video isn't 100 hours long, all right? You can do it. You have plenty of time at home. You can color each one real nice. I'm just going to do mine partially, part of the way, not all the way. There. And now, I'll write our number sentence. So what do I have? Right here I have 5. And I'm not taking any of them. None of them are changing another color. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Okay. So now, on the next one down, here's what we're going to do. And you'll start to see a pattern. You'll start to see what I'm doing here. I'm going to color, not all of them, I'm going to color 4 of them this time. So that means one of them is going to be our second color. There. Now, this is now 5 minus 1 equals, that's right, 4. That's 4. If you need to double check, just count. 5 minus 1, so right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, now this time, guess how many I'm coloring? First one was 5, second one was 4, next one is going to be, anyone? 3. 1, 2, 3. So now that leaves 1, 2 here to be the second color. And so that means our problem here is 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. See how we're going? Good. Now this time, we're only going to color 2. 1, 2. Now that's going to give us now 1, 2, 3 with our second color. What number sentence is this one? Which subtraction sentence is this? Can you guess? Or do you know? It's 5 minus 3 equals 2. Alright, now we get down to this one, and just 1 this time. Just 1. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? Now, we have 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, boys and girls, pause it. Pause it as many times as you need, because I know you guys are going to be doing a better coloring job than I am, so it's going to take you a little bit longer. Do not worry. You can pause as much as you need, for as long as you need, okay, to get this done. Now, guess what? This last one, guess what's going to happen here? Does anybody know? Yep. All of these boxes are now going to be our second color. So now, remember when we did subtract 0, then we also did subtract all? That's what we're doing here. We have 5 cubes. We're going to take 5 away, and now we have 0. What this is showing is our first color. We had 5 of them. As we've come down through all of these, we've taken all 5 of our cubes, of our red cubes, away. So all 5 have been taken away. Now we have 0 red cubes. So what this was is basically what we're doing is counting how many red cubes we have. How many of our first color we have? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now 0. This is all the ways to make 5 with our cubes. Alright, I'm going to show you something else. Because sometimes when we're doing one of these type of problems, we might be, who knows, maybe we're in a car, maybe we went camping and we forgot some of our stuff and we go, oh no, I don't have any colors. Okay, so there's a way to do it that way. If you don't have any colors and you're trying to show how to make a 5, let's just say, here's one like, right? I want to make a 5, but I don't have my colors. Well, I can always circle and cross out. Watch this. Circle and cross out. Now I started with 5. How many did I circle and cross out? One cube, right? And now I'm left with 4. And if this way makes more sense, if this is easier for you, do it that way. The coloring, I thought is a lot of fun, but if that doesn't quite work with you, because our minds all work differently. So if that's a little bit confusing and this makes more sense, do this way. Okay? Either way to get it done. So I have a task for you. You are going to show ways to make some numbers. And we're going to do it in our workbook. We're going to turn our page. So we just completed 81 together. All right? We just completed that. So you turn your page. We're going to skip past this one. I want you to focus on 83. These are 10s. These are 10s. So you're going to take apart 10. Just like we did 5s, this is what you're going to do here. So start off 10 with one color. Color them all, say red. So it would be 10 minus 0 equals 10 because you didn't take any away. Now the next one, start to take cubes away. See how many ways you can make, or you can take apart 10. Alright? So we're going to do as many as you can come up with. Okay? As many as you can come up with. Then you'll turn the page to the top here. We have 22 and 23. And this is James has 10 books. He shares them with his sister. So draw a way that he can share 10 books with his sister. Right? So it's another way of showing, taking apart a 10. And this one, Hannah has 7 shells. She shares them with Emily. Draw 2 ways she can share 7 shells. So you do 22 and 23 right there. And then let's get some more practice here. Oops, that's really, there we go. On 84A, remember those 5s that we did? Can you do them on your own? I'd like to see it right here. And remember, you can circle and cross out, or you can color, either way. Alright, so we're going to take apart 5s, just like we did earlier. Okay. Have fun with this, boys and girls. It's math, right? It's math. We're learning all kinds of cool things and all kinds of different fancy ways to do it. Thank you very much for joining me. You have a great day. Enjoy this math. It's fun. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.